Well, I may have figured out my latest engine management light. Now, both Andrew and I took our Land Cruisers to get undersealing done, and in both cases they've used self-tapping screws in the wheel arches. There's one there. So here, to attach these trims, they've put these self-tapping screws in. 3 there and 3 on the other side. But they come up under this fuse box, relay box, and this loom which runs down the side of the wing. And you can see where the 3 self-tapping screws, they punch up into that wiring area. And I've got an engine management light now, and Andrew has an engine management light now. So there's a very good chance that our new issues are because someone's blasted self-tapping screws into the wiring looms. That's not ideal. Not ideal at all. These are the little sharp boys that are poking in my wiring looms. Not great.